Welcome to our DMC YouTube channel. For this episode, I will share to you how to actually tag someone on Instagram comment. Let's check it out now. First of all, you're going to log into your Instagram account, and after that, you can find a post that you want to comment, right? So you want to tag the friend. Example, I'm going to tag Charles on this Instagram IGTV. So what I'm going to do is, because these stories, this post, and this IGTV is actually done by Charles, right? So what you're gonna do is, what you're gonna do, you can see there's a three button on the bottom right here. Just click on the comment logo, click on that, and what you can do is you can just tag Charles. So I'll just tag Charles, and after tag Charles, maybe you can put some emojis. Okay, so once you've done this, you just click on the post, and you will see this comment is actually under this post. You see that? I'll tag Charles, and you can see the emojis there. And Charles, he will receive this notification for his Instagram. Just very simple, and let's have a try. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share, and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!